Namaste, Rasikas. This is Heather with Rasa Yoga School. A quick video to show you how you can easily register for classes using our mobile app. You've already downloaded the Rasa Yoga School app onto your mobile device. Opening that, you'll find that you already have access to our class schedule and can view that. Before you register for a class, it's very important, however, that you log in to the Rasa Yoga School app. On the top left of your screen, you'll see 3 lines that will allow you to open a navigation menu. So from here, selecting login, and you'll log in using the login that you've used previously for Mind Body. It's the email that you gave us when you joined Rasa Yoga School. If you've never logged into Mind Body, you can also create an account from the screen, as well as doing it from your computer. I've logged into this once before, so you can enable Touch ID on our application for easy login, or manually enter your password, as you can see behind my auto prompt. And now I am successfully logged in. I'm back at the class schedule screen, and I am going to select the class I want to register for. So I am going to sign up to take the 10 o'clock Yoga Foundation class with Padma. You'll find here the time and a class description. Select book class. And what I love is that you have the option to add a reminder to your calendar. If you're like me and like to have all your appointments in one place, you can add the reminder into your calendar. If I go back to the class schedule, you'll see it highlighted in purple with a check mark that will indicate to you that you are successfully registered for the class. I hope you're having a peaceful day and look forward to seeing you in classes. Namaste.